Pondicherry Police Syllabus. Participant planning to appear for Puducherry Police Constable exam are required to through study every topic related to subject. As we know, syllabus play very important role in written exam as it guide us preparing for exam. Individual who have little bit confusion about Puducherry Police written examination syllabus can check the under mentioned syllabus and prepare us accordingly. Radio Technician Mathematics syllabus, arithmetic and numerical ability, number system, simplification, decimals, fractions, CM and CF, ratio and proportion, percentage, average, profit and loss, discount, simple interest, compound interest, mensuration, time and work, time and distance, table and graph, extra. Physical science topic, mathematical methods of physics, classical mechanics, electromagnetic theory, quantum mechanics, thermodynamics and statistical physics, electronic and experimental method, mathematical methods of physics, classical mechanics, electromagnetic theory, quantum mechanics, thermodynamic and statistical physics, electronic and experimental method, atomic and molecular physics, condensed matter physics, nuclear particle physics, biology and human physiology, human body structure, bacteria, viral and diseases and their symptoms, prevention and cure of various diseases and body parts, human habits, living process, plants and animal, microorganism and extra. History syllabus, Indian culture, yearly structure of British Raj, themes and yearly Indian culture history, Guptas, Venkatas and Vardhanas, British expansion in India, European prevention into India, immersion and colonialism, nation state system, Mughal Empire in the 17th century, modern Indian history, economic and society in 17th and 16th and 17th century, Mairas Empire, yearly state and society, Eastern India, Eastern and South India. Sources, Indian response to British rule, cultural tradition in India, origin of modern politics, engagement and modern ideas, economic impact of British colonial rule, industrialization, society, culture and economic in 13th and 14th century. Society, culture and economic in 13th and 14th century. Origin of modern polity. Period of Maharajpatas. Social and cultural development. Indus Valley civilization. Prehistory and proto-history. Culture in Mughal Empire. Aryans and Vedic period. Megalithic cultures. Early medieval India. Post-Mauryan period. Indo-Greek Sung Gushna Western Guptas. The regional state during Gupta era. Indian freedom struggle. History of the world. Geography topic. Earth. Motion of Earth. Rotation of revolution and their effect. Structure of Earth. Nature region of India. Weather. Monsoon and climate. Rainfall. Natural climates. Indian town and place. Hill station. National parks. Major parks. Crops and minerals. Location of major industries. Forest and wildlife. Population distribution in India and other related topic. General knowledge and current affairs. Latest development in science and terminology. Latest development in science and technology. Political development in India. New development in trade, transport and communication. Historical event. Fine arts like dance, drama, film, painting. Major literacy work, game and sports. National, international award. National and international organization. Abbreviations. Who is who. Book and author. General terminology. India and its neighbors. Present day India and other related topics.